Okay, one of my customer ordered the VMC855 CNC machining center. The machine is with Mitsubishi M80A controller. So today the controller arrived. We now open the box to check. This is a controller panel. Here, Mitsubishi M80. And this one is the spindle motor. Spindle motor here, made in Japan. Made in Japan. And this one is X motor. And this is Y motor. Oh, this one is Z motor. And here, this box is. These are drivers. And also we have this one. This is small. This one. It's manual, operation manual. It's important. We will send it to customer together with the machine.